take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah,
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, y'all. So hubby was trying to put out the Christmas decorations, like the lights and stuff, but then it started storming, like literally storming. So that's been placed on a hold. Y'all, look at my eye. Y'all see my eye? Why is it swollen? You see this? And there's a little puffy on this side too. Let me tell you what happened. We had hibachi express last night, and I'm not allergic to anything that I know of, and I had shrimp. But when I went to sleep last night, like the top of my throat was itching, and I was like, am I having an allergic reaction, or I'm trying to come down with a cold? I can't tell which one, because it was just my throat itching, and usually when it's just my throat itching, my allergies are acting up. So I went ahead and took some Theraflu, y'all. Some nighttime Theraflu. Knocked me out, baby. Lights out. Like, it said, bing. Make it. Woke up this morning and my eyes were just like really sore. And I was like, man, I'm awake, but my eyes are sore. It's almost feel like, I don't know if you have allergies, but when you take Benadryl and then the next day, like your eyes feel sore as if you were rubbing in, but you wasn't rubbing in. But that's how I felt. And I'm like, this is weird. And then when I blink, like it's painful because the bottom part hurts. I went to the mirror and I was like, I know you lying. I know my eye is not swollen, y'all, and it definitely is just swollen out here sitting on dubs. Okay, sitting on dubs, and I'm just like, what's going on? Like, I have leftover shrimp, and a part of me was like, girl, just go ahead and eat it and see what happens. If your throat starts itching again or you have any reaction, you know it was that, and you know it's not something crazy. So I didn't wear my contacts yesterday. I didn't wear them yesterday. My eyes are perfectly fine. I wore my glasses all day because I switched them out. So I'm like, it ain't my contacts. I haven't did anything out the normal. No new skincare, nothing. And this is how I woke up. Like, bruh, what is going on? Like, it's really puffy. I feel like it's going down since this morning, but it's still puffy. And then on this side, I feel like it's a little puffy. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. I don't know what's going on, y'all. But anywho, if the lighting is like a little off in this vlog because I don't have like the light attached to it on there. But we were supposed to go to the trampoline park in about an hour and a half. Just found that out. Bruh. So I need to do something to my hair because I don't wear my headband wig, and you know, you be jumping and that mug fall off. Don't have time for those type of problems in my life. So I don't know, I'm thinking about, because it's raining outside, I'm thinking about just putting 2 pigtails in my hair and calling it a day and trying to slick them down. I don't know if it's gonna work because it already had my real hair already has like some gel in it, because I was gonna wash my hair today, which I'm glad I didn't since we're having to leave. I haven't even did my nails, y'all. I'm just feeling real busted. So that's what we're about to do, you guys. That's what I gotta do.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. No, I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
Alright, so the lighting in this room is much better. So here I'm just wearing this sweater I got from Target, I want to say. Target or maybe Walmart, I don't really know. Then just wearing my Apple Watch. Perfume is gonna be this one of choice. I have this Valentino, and then tennis shoes. I'm just gonna wear these cheetah leopard print Adidas because why not? It's raining. And that's gonna be the fit. And then I should have to bring my purse in. You think I would need my purse? I'm still gonna bring it, but I won't need it. Plain Jane, cash. Very casual for the day. Hoping my little space buns, or whatever they're called, stay in place. But I'm bringing like my pressed powder. Ooh, got burn on the side. Pressed powder. Just press my face in, just in case I get oily. But this is the look of the day. We're about to go get in the car. My husband already walked out. He forgetting his precious cargo.
Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry best. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust.
Hey y'all, so we just made it back home. We went to the trampoline park when they got some wings. I don't think I recorded that. And then we went to Target. So for Target, I picked up some ingredients to make this some butter pecan cookies. I'm really excited about that. So I picked up the ingredients for those. I did have a pickup order. Just picked up this like espresso coffee. And then the coffee that I normally get is I call the rapid fire coffee. It's like a keto friendly coffee. Y'all, they don't sell it in stores anymore. So I had to order that. And then Target had their pajamas, I think it was, for 40% off. So I ended up picking up this robe. And, oh yeah, I forgot. And I ordered this right here too. It's like a little bralette. Here, I love this. I already have 2 of these, so this will make my 3rd one. I really like it because they have like the different ways you can wear it. So you can wear it across, you know, crisscross, and like that in the back. So I really like these. I wear these around the house all the time. So my goal is to at least have 7, okay? Because I don't think I told you guys this, but I'm going like minimalistic. Whereas I just want like all black bras and all black underwear, so I don't have to think anything. It's not really minimalistic. I'm just trying to not have to think about other things so I can use my brain for other things, if that makes any sense. But yeah. So I'll fish all of that out. And then this robe is cute. Let me see if I can back y'all up. I just heard a door, and I don't know if that's Amazon or not. But my watch went off too. So they, like I said, they had their these 40% off. The robe I have is like hot pink. Well, not hot pink, baby pink. And I just wanted like a comfy robe. And I saw this one, and I just thought it was so cute. Yeah, I thought it was so cute. Look at this. And it's really long. Let me show you how long it is. Okay, so this is the robe here. It is really warm and fluffy, but it's really cute. And it has like the pockets. And for reference, I'm 5'8", and it goes past my knee. Like, this is my knee, so it goes past my knee. It's about as long as my joggers. So I just thought this was a cute like winter robe. I ended up getting it in like a large, extra large. But yeah, it didn't feel like, when I first saw it, I didn't think it was going to be like an actual robe. But then it said it was like a robe. I'm like, oh, this is fluffy. So I'm just going to get rid of the pink one that I have and then just wear this one. But yeah, it's like a quilted like material. They had it in gray, and then they had it in a different color. So I ended up just getting the large, extra large, because I feel like the small, medium would be too small. But this one is actually a little big, but I can tighten it up. But I feel like this is a cute little jacket to just, robe, to slip on out the shower or even just to wear it around the house. Like, it is warm. I'm actually kind of hot in here now. But yeah, I thought it was perfect for the winter. It's kind of big, but.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy. Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you.